You okay?
I can't stop dancing.
What?
It must be the glitter. I really can't stop grooving. It feels weird. Go on without me.
Freezimation! Pop is that fruit freezer! Killing you with ice cream!
Woo! Yeah, man. Whoa.
Jake, there's one left, and I think he's trying to surrender.
Kill it.
But he's dressed as a little construction worker. It's freaking adorable.
He's trying to trick you. Kill it.
I just don't know if I can bring myself to do it, Jake.
Why, thank you, Finn and Jake, for sort of saving our village.
You're sort of welcome.
Now, if you'll excuse us, we need to start removing all of this ice cream from our homes and businesses.
Not too fast. I'll take it from here, folks.
He likes ice cream. Nice job, Tubby. But save room for the ice cream man.